Nothing transforms a simple Waldorf salad into a satisfying meal quite like warm, melty brie toasts. This delightful twist elevates a classic dish that many consider humble and straightforward, turning it into something truly special and filling. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists might argue that adding rich cheese to a salad strays too far from tradition. What do you think? Is it an inspired upgrade or a step too far? This insight comes from the Eat Voraciously newsletter, a fantastic resource for easy weeknight dinners, clever substitutions, and cooking techniques delivered straight to your inbox Monday through Thursday. If you want to receive these helpful tips and recipes, you can sign up on the Washington Post website. When we talk about iconic American salads, names like Cobb, Wedge, Louis, and Waldorf often come up. Among these, the Waldorf salad holds a special place, not only because it's likely the oldest of the bunch, but also because of its simplicity and history. The original Waldorf salad was first served at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City back in 1893 and was published in a cookbook just a few years later, in 1896. Interestingly, the initial recipe was incredibly minimalistic, featuring only 3 ingredients: crisp apples, crunchy celery, and creamy mayonnaise. This simplicity is part of what makes the Waldorf salad so enduring, but it also leaves plenty of room for creativity. Adding Melty Brie on toasted bread, for example, introduces a warm, savory element that complements the fresh, crisp textures of the salad. It's a clever way to turn a light side dish into a more substantial meal without losing the essence of the original. So what's your take? Do you prefer to keep the Waldorf salad classic and simple, or are you open to bold additions like brie toasts that transform it into a heartier dish? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments. Let's get the conversation going.